Hey everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to create sales funnel dashboards in Notion using templates in 2025. Start with sales funnel dashboard template from Notion gallery or community. These templates are ready structures to follow customer journey from awareness to consideration to decisions and conversation. They usually include fields for lead source, state, deal size, and probability. Customize the template by aligning with your actual funnel, add your own stage segment by regional or campaign, and assign owners on every lead in track so you can add formulas to calculate conversion rates and revenue forecasts automatically. Views make the dashboard powerful. Board view lets you drag deals through the funnel stages. Table view detailed lead data, and charts progress bars make performance visible at a glance. Timeline views help you see how long it takes to move through the funnel. Finally, connect your funnel dashboard with related Notion databases, marketing ROI trackers, sales KPIs, or client records. This makes your dashboard dynamic. When campaigns or deals update, the funnel updates too. And that's it, how you can stay on the top of your pipeline and visualize growth with sales funnel dashboard templates in Notion 2025. Thanks everyone for watching.